Just stand in front of the mirror, and put the video in front of your eyes, and do as shown carefully. And, let's go. The slim end in your left hand, and the wide end in your right hand. Step 1. Bring the wide end horizontally, in front of the slim end, making an X shape below your chin. Move the wide end, beneath the loop around your neck, from inside to outside. Flip the wide end, and move it to the other side. Step 2. Move the wide end, into the loop, from outside to inside. Make it like an arrow pointing down. Lift your finger like this, and place the wide end over your shoulder. Step 3. Pass your hand through the loop, and pull the wide end to the outside. Now, slide it through the horizontal loop you saved with your finger. Pull the wide end down, and smooth out any creases or slack in the knot. Pull the slim end through the keeper loop on the back of the tie. And, that's it. Thanks for watching.